Hey everybody, it's Becky Bill here today talking to you about connecting through technology. Today we had our first round of connecting through technology. We asked the guys what devices they use at home to access Facebook and social media, and they use their iPhones and they use the iPads, and at TAFE they use their phones, iPads and computers. We also did a memory game where we used the app's icons, and we also created a Gmail account on the iPads. Today was a very successful day. Everyone enjoyed the workshop. Next week, Friday, we'll be learning about Facebook and how to stay safe online. Techie Becky signing out. Namaste.